You're okay with me here? Awesome. Breath in. All out. One more. In. No.
Oh, nice.
You got actually one more right there. Alright, come on up, let's do an anterior. Give me one.
That was good. I felt that one.
Or do you want to do an anterior?